who does the new ban on age discrimination in services apply to?
The age discrimination in employment has been unlawful since 2006. The new rules that came into force a few days ago on the 1st of October mean that it's now also unlawful to treat someone unfairly because of their age when providing a service or a public function or running a private club. Covered are law firms, health and social care services, or local and central government departments, just to give a few examples. It's actually quite exciting because it's one of the biggest changes to equality law made by the Equality Act 2010.
What exactly is outlawed by the new ban?
The law is focused on banning discriminatory behavior that can be harmful. One area that has been highlighted quite frequently recently, not least through one of our inquiries, is the care of older people. Another is the treatment of old patients. A call that was made to our helpline, for example, was about an over 80-year-old who had to cancel an operation. And when he called to rebook his operation, he was told that he was put back on the bottom of the waiting list, and that any cancellations would go to a younger person. Another completely different example would be a computer salesman making derogatory comments to an older customer just based on the assumption that that person would know much less about computer technology than a younger person. These are the kind of areas that need to be looked at by providers of goods and services because they are very likely to be unlawful.
So, is there now a blanket ban on age discrimination in all services?
No. Some forms of differential treatment can actually be quite positive. Take flu jabs or free bus travel for older people, for example. The law allows for age discrimination to continue in relation to specific products and services through express exception, positive action, or objective justification. Certain areas are exempt altogether, so financial services providers, for example, can still use age as a factor when assessing risk or charging for their products. Other examples are age-based concessions, group holidays, tailored group holidays, the use of age as a criterion in immigration control or in sports to allow for fair competition.
And how is the Equality and Human Rights Commission actively involved in this?
We will monitor how the new law is taking effect. We also have a range of legal enforcement tools which we could use. We can intervene in or support cases that test and clarify the law in this area, for example. And in some areas, such as healthcare, there's likely to be some litigation coming up, so I would be quite interested in getting involved in this.
Fantastic. Well, Claudia Bennett, thank you very much.
You're welcome.